Hello friends, Ian Barkin here again in Miami, Florida with my longtime friend and colleague, Felix Massun. Felix lives in Argentina and is responsible for running Symphony, serving clients in Argentina and Brazil and neighboring areas. So I wanted to chat with Felix. We don't get to see each other very often because we live far apart. But how are you, first and foremost?
It's fine, thank you. Very good.
Good to see you.
Yeah,
good
to see you again.
And so wanted to talk. We've been having a lot of chats. We're in Florida for a UiPath event. Generally, conferences of all sorts bring us together. In this case, this is a vendor-oriented one. But Felix and I were talking about, what makes for good adoption. What do enterprises, specifically in Brazil and Argentina, need to do to adopt RPA in a way that has the most impact on their businesses?
Yeah, definitely. Yes, what we have seen is that to focus more in the end-to-end process to create value rather than improve or make more efficient transactions is the key. Is the key for the region.
Okay, so how do you do that? How do you focus on processes rather than just, some people are excited about robots. They want robots now, fast, and you're saying take a more methodical, strategic approach because this is a longer game, right? And we know this from our backgrounds. Felix and I worked together in the outsourcing industry where we were doing big solutions that created a lot of value for enterprises over a long period of time.
Basically, as we typically propose in our methodology at Savo, first is to simplify, to understand the process.
Right.
And really to do it right. It's not just know the technology, but understand what are the characteristics of this technology that will help us to design the process, the organization, and the system in a different way. Okay. That you have the robots available, that they don't make mistakes, that they are not, subjective. Those kind of things change the way in which you have to redesign the organization and rethink the process to create more value and the speed, etc.
So quick, do you see a difference in adoption type, scale, speed in Argentina versus Brazil, or about the same?
It's about the same. Okay. What I would say compared with global adoption, companies think a little bit more about what's the value, which is good.
Okay,
this is good. Sometimes they try to do it for free just because they want to test the technology, but then when they have to invest, they think a little bit more about what's the real value, and it takes a little bit longer, but it's a good base to really build a solution.
Great. Oh, good. That's good to hear. So what's next for Argentina, for Brazil, for you, for Symphony in the region?
I think for next it's just to start generating big transformation for these clients.
Big transformation.
They really understood what they will take, and right now we are in the process of showing that to the market. I mean, what we have in the region right now, it's Brazil and Argentina, basically some processes automated, but we don't have companies that really embrace automation as a core function and strategy.
Great.
That's what we have.
Good. Okay. Well, thank you so much for the time.
Thank you.
Great to see you. We will post this on LinkedIn. If you guys want to get in touch with Felix, I'll put his contact information in the post as well. If you're serious about RPA and as he said, about big transformation and helping to enable larger impact and change on enterprises, and you happen to be in Argentina or Brazil, this is your man. So get in touch with me, get in touch with Felix, and thanks so much. Talk to you guys later.
Thank you.